Disassembling a controller. Shut down or take over the impaired controller. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure. Push the locking tabs at both ends of the controller outward to release the handles. Pull the handles towards you to unseat the controller from the midplane. While supporting the bottom of the controller, slide it out of the chassis and place it on a flat, stable surface. Unfasten the thumb screw and then open the cover. Refer to the videos in the playlist for the replacement procedures.